children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Children, I asked you to solve multiple choice exercise of chapter number 4. Hope you all have done. Children, let's verify the answers. See children, page number 69 of your book, chapter number 4, light energy exercises A. A part is fill in the blanks, children. See, the first question is, we can read a newspaper due to dashed reflection. Answer is diffused reflection. Second answer, the dash image cannot be obtained on a screen. Answer is virtual image. Next, third question, the image formed by a plane mirror is dash inverted. Answer is laterally inverted. Fourth question, a looking mirror is a dash mirror. It is plane mirror. Fifth question, speed of light in air is what? 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Sixth question, red color is a dash color. Red color is a primary color. Seventh question, in yellow light a white swan will appear of white color. Okay. Eighth question, color of an opaque object is same as the light reflected by it. This is A part. Now B part, children. B, give one word. Bouncing back of light in a given medium after striking a surface is known as reflection of light. Second question, a ray of light traveling towards the mirror. It is incident ray. Third question, angle between normal and the reflected ray is angle of reflection. Fourth question, interchange of left and right sides of an object in the image formed by a plane mirror is lateral inversion. Fifth question, colors formed due to mixing of any two primary colors, it's secondary colors. Now children, come to page number 70F. State whether true or false. A plane mirror forms real image of an object placed in front of it. Answer is false. To correct it, cut real and write virtual. Second question, the laws of reflection are valid in regular as well as irregular reflection. True. Third question, the angle of reflection is twice the angle of incidence. It is false. To make it correct, cut twice and write equal. Fourth question, image formed by a plane mirror is as much behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. It is true. Fifth question, speed of light in glass is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. It is false. Cut 3 and write 2.0. Sixth question, speed of light is maximum in diamond. It is false. Speed of light is minimum in diamond. Seventh question, blue color is a primary color. But yellow color is a secondary color, so it is true. Eighth question, a crow appears black whether seen in white light or in red light. It is true. Now G, children, see question number G. Match the column. Speed of light in air, it is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. That is D. Speed of light in water, 2.25 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. That is F. Third question, plane mirror, it is forms a virtual and erect image. Fourth, milk. Milk is B part, reflects light of all colors. Fifth, water. Water allows light of all colors. Sixth question, mixture of blue and red color, that is magenta, G part. Mixture of blue and green color, it is cyan color, E part. Now see children, encircle the odd one out, give reason for your choice. Now children, see, first question, incident ray, reflected ray, green leaves and normal. So which is odd one out? Green leaves. And write the reason. Rest others are terms related to reflection of light. Write reason. Rest others are related to reflection of light. Second question, virtual image. real image, erect image and laterally inverted image. The odd one out is real image. Real image. And the reason right, rest others are characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Now third question, blue, red, yellow and green. Now third part is blue, red, yellow and green. So which is odd one out? Yellow. Right? Reason, rest others are primary colors. Rest others are primary colors. Fourth question, yellow, white, magenta and cyan. So the odd one out is white, and reason is rest others are secondary colors. Rest others are secondary colors. Children, kindly do all these exercises in your book, and today's homework is to find out the rest exercises which are left in the book, in your book. Okay, mark the answers in the book. In the next Zoom session we will discuss all the question answers, differentiate and give reasons. Okay children, I hope you all will do. Thank you.